Hey, Matt here, and welcome to Mob Street. Today I'm out here with Jaxon, and we are at the Bradley Performance. What is it? The Bradley Performance Ride? The Bradley Performance Get Together?
I think we could call it the Bradley Performance Ride.
Bradley Performance Ride. And like I said, I'm out here with Jaxon. Jaxon, how old are you?
I'm 13.
13. And what are we standing next to?
We are standing next to my 2001 Yamaha TW200.
Yamaha TW, obviously. 2001, you said?
Yes, sir.
And how long have you been riding TWs?
Well, I have been riding since I got it for Christmas before last.
Christmas before last?
Yeah.
So, last Bradley Performance Ride, you were out there riding it?
Yes, sir.
So walk me through then, Jaxon. What have you done to your TW200?
Alright, well, there's been a good amount done. So I have the double take adventure mirrors. I have Bradley's bars. I have his levers, grips. I have deflex handguards from Tusk. What else? We have Brad's tires on the front and the rear.
Okay.
I have his heavy duty skid plate.
Heavy duty, sweet.
His mud flap. Let's see, what else?
What about them foot pegs? Are those his too?
Yes.
Did you already mention that?
No, these are his V2 foot pegs. They've been beaten on. And they're good.
They hold up pretty well?
Yep, I have his rear rack.
Okay.
I have this tail tidy kit. And I have his tow hitch.
So what do you do with the tow hitch? What do you got the tow hitch on your TW for?
Well, I kind of just have it on there. I think it looks cool.
There we go. So if you want, let's say you're out camping.
Yeah.
You could, tie a rope to the back of it, grab a few bits of wood, bring it back to the fire, right?
Sure can.
Perfect. So you've been riding just a little over a year. How many miles have you put on? Have you logged the miles that you've put on it so far?
It had about 300 when I got it, and now we're up to 1,265 and some change.
1,265. So this only had 300 miles on it when you first bought it.
Yes, sir.
Sweet. Now, how much of the work have you done by yourself on this?
By myself, not much, really. I want to give a big shout out to my dad because he's been right there with me, helping me work on it, guiding me through it, and I just appreciate him.
Awesome. So, for those out there who don't know, who is your dad?
Taylor Prince. Y'all have met him. That's his bike right there.
Yep.
And that's my dad.
And look, he just walked out the door.
That's him right there.
Yep. So out here, you're gonna be riding with us tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
And on Saturday?
Yes, sir.
So we went for a little bit of a ride today.
Yeah, we did.
And somebody ended up in the mud.
Yeah, bet you can't guess who that was.
Was it you?
It was you.
It was me. His bike's way super clean. The bike that I'm on was not so super clean, was it?
No.
So you guys, if you want to come out and ride with us, Brad's gonna be doing this every year. Huge shout out to Jaxon for being in the video with me. He was kind of hesitant, but I wanted to get him on here and talk about his TW200. He has done a lot of the work to it. Obviously, he's had his dad Taylor and Brad helping him with it. So again, huge shout out to them.
Yes, sir.
But these rides are for everybody that want to come out and ride and be part of the TW200 community. From 13 to, I think the oldest we've got here is late 60s. So just come on out and have a good time with us. Jaxon, anything else you want to add before we end?
I don't think so. This is my bike. I love it. It's a good bike.
There we go. So Matt with Mob Street out here with Jaxon and his 2001 TW200. If you like these kind of videos, make sure to subscribe and follow along. If you want to find out where to get these parts for your TW200, we will put that in the description down below. Again, Matt and Jaxon with Mob Street. We'll see you in the next one.